dependable outlet is the foundation of every safe and functional electrical installation. Enerlites offers high-quality receptacles designed for durability, code compliance, and everyday performance. One of our top-selling models is the 61501TR, a 15-amp residential-grade tamper-resistant decorator receptacle. It features a modern decorator-style design and built-in tamper-resistant shutters that help prevent foreign objects from being inserted, providing added protection in homes. Another popular option is the 61580TR, a 15-amp residential-grade tamper-resistant duplex receptacle. This traditional duplex-style outlet offers the same tamper-resistant protection in a classic design that fits standard wall plates and residential applications. For more demanding environments, the 62060TR is a 20-amp commercial-grade tamper-resistant decorator receptacle. Built with reinforced materials and commercial-grade construction, it is designed to withstand heavier usage in offices, retail spaces, schools, and other commercial settings. All three models are UL listed and meet current code requirements for tamper-resistant installations. They are compatible with standard wall boxes and are designed for straightforward installation. Before installing, always turn off power at the circuit breaker, then unscrew the existing receptacle. Use a voltage tester to confirm the wires are not energized. A duplex receptacle can easily be replaced with a decorator receptacle and a matching wall plate. Disconnect the wires from the old device. Attach the ground wire to the green ground screw. Connect the white wire to the silver neutral terminal and the black wire to the brass hot terminal. Carefully push the wiring back into the box and secure the receptacle. Screw on the wall plate, restore power at the breaker, and test the outlet for proper operation. Whether you're upgrading a home, completing new construction, or outfitting a commercial space, Enerlites receptacles deliver the safety, durability, and performance today's installations require. To learn more about our full line of wiring devices, visit Enerlites.com today.